Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the phone's operating system and updating it. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, decide whether you'll use built-in controls, a family account, or a third-party app, because each method affects features and privacy. Make sure you have the parent email, child account, and passwords handy. You'll need device access to set locks and permissions. Start the device now and open Settings or the Parental Control app, so you can move straight into configuring screen time and restrictions. You now configure specific limits, set daily screen time, bedtime schedules, and restrict app categories to match maturity levels. Next, enable content filters for web browsing and app stores so inappropriate material is blocked automatically. This prevents accidental exposure and reduces monitoring load. Also turn on in-app purchase restrictions and require approval for downloads to avoid surprise charges. Finally, enable location sharing and usage reports so you can review activity. These controls help you respond quickly if patterns change. Finish by testing every control. Open a blocked app, try a restricted website, and verify schedule enforcement so you know what the child experiences. Make sure to record parent credentials and set recovery options, and enable two-step authentication to protect your admin access. If something fails, reboot both devices, confirm all apps and OS are updated, and relink family accounts. Often a missing account permission is the culprit. If problems persist, consider temporarily switching to the vendor's dedicated parental app for clearer controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.